So I'm gonna say this from now. Please excuse my audio if it's a bit low for the next few days. I'm gonna be waiting on my microphone to come in the mail because I'm using a brand new laptop and this microphone on this laptop is no good. But today's video we're going to be talking about bleaching and all of the bleachers them with a reach Jamaica. And last year, I actually did a video about Jamaicans bleaching their skin and having issues getting their passport and visas from different countries. And a lot of people came on my channel and talk about how I lie me tell a fake news and this and that and blah blah. Well, it's official. They're officially having issues in Jamaica getting passports and visas. And it says in the Gleaner, scores of Jamaican who bleach their faces are facing delays in renewing their passports as additional checks are often needed to confirm their identities. The bleachers are among the more than 2,100 applicants whose passport renewal applications were referred for further investigation in the last 2 years by officials at the Passport and Immigration Citizenship Agency (PICA) in an effort to verify the authenticity of their identities. Chief Executive Officer of PICA, Andrew Weiner, told the Sunday Gleaner, and the agency referred 846 cases for further investigations in 2016 and 1,286 in 2017. While some of these applicants were found to be committing fraud, others were referred to officials had a hard time determining whether the person standing before them and the one present in a previous passport was the same person. I know a lot of people have speculations and theory as to why Jamaicans go through the bleaching process, but recently Vybz Kartel dropped Yabba Dabba Doo, and Yabba Dabba Doo is a Flintstone inspired song and video about Jamaicans bleaching, and he's kind of like making jokes about people and how their bleaching doesn't look right and stuff like that. But quite honestly, people can theorize that is because of Vybz Kartel. A lot more Jamaicans than ever before are actually bleaching their skins and proud of bleaching their skins and not afraid to show it because he's a well-known dancehall artist. And he has never come out and said him himself personally bleach, but he sings about it in his songs and he's kinda is promoting it in a way. No disrespect to Vybz Kartel, but it is what it is. So, in the context of what I'm talking about, do you guys think that Vybz Kartel's bleaching his skin and actually singing about it in his song actually push more Jamaicans to bleach their skin more than ever? Because in the article it says that in 2016 only 800 applicants were sent for additional investigation, but in 2017 1,286 was the number of people that they had to send for verification of their identities. And people like Alkaline, they say used to be bleaching his skin also, but that's neither here nor there. I personally believe that it's because of security reasons why they are scrutinizing people that has personally been changing or altering their appearances with bleaching products. I feel like it's because then they bleach out them skin and they don't look like the way they used to look, and that is a like that you can't do that, especially when you want to travel to other people countries and stuff like that. You need to look the same way you look in your passport in real life, because nobody is going to believe that you miraculously just lost about 5 to 15 shades of your color. And a lot of people will say it's because of slavery and classism and racism and all that, but it's been how long since slavery has ended? We know the problem and we need to fix it and stop finding excuses as to why people bleach their skin. They bleach their skin because they want to bleach their skin, not because they have to or nobody's forcing them to do so. No disrespect, and I don't judge anybody. It's your life to live. Live the best life where you can, cause me not really care. But do you think it's because of Vybz Kartel why the increase in bleachers in Jamaica, or do you think it just would have happened gradually if Vybz Kartel did not bleach his skin? And for everybody that said I was talking about fake news last year, here is the repay for you. Okay? The Gleaner said it first. The Gleaner is a credible newspaper in Jamaica. So comment in the comment section and tell me if you think it's because of Vybz Kartel. Is why more people are bleaching, or do you think it just would have happened gradually? And why do you think that they are now doing verifications of passports? Is it because they're afraid of people switching identities or committing fraud, or do you think it's because of other countries saying that they don't look the same and they're not giving them entry into their country if they don't look the same? So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.